Imagine transforming chaos into clarity with just a glance. Kanban boards do exactly that by turning abstract tasks into tangible visual elements. This visualization reduces confusion and enhances focus, making your workflow more efficient and effective. By visualizing tasks, you can easily identify bottlenecks and prioritize effectively. This approach not only streamlines processes, but also empowers teams to collaborate better, ensuring everyone is on the same page and working towards common goals. Feeling overwhelmed by juggling too many tasks? Kanban teaches us the importance of limiting work in progress. By focusing on fewer tasks, you can achieve higher quality outcomes and reduce stress, leading to a more productive work environment. Limiting tasks allows for deeper concentration and better resource allocation. This method ensures that each task receives the attention it deserves, ultimately improving the quality of work and satisfaction of team members. Kanban isn't just about tasks, it's about fostering teamwork. By promoting transparency, Kanban encourages open communication and collaboration among team members, leading to more cohesive and efficient teams. Real-world examples show teams thriving with Kanban as it bridges communication gaps and aligns team efforts. This collaborative approach not only boosts morale, but also drives innovation and success. Ready to transform your workflow with Kanban? Start by setting up your first Kanban board. Follow a step-by-step guide to customize it according to your needs, ensuring it aligns with your team's objectives and processes. Maintain and optimize your Kanban system by regularly reviewing and adjusting it. This continuous improvement approach ensures your workflow remains efficient and adaptable to changing demands, ultimately leading to sustained success.